Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 16, 2022, one-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 516. So 516 can't come the cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, three numbers are remaining. 7, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, four numbers are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8th row and 7th row, we pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. 8th row and 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 8, 4. Column J, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column F, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then column F, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then sixth grid, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Fourth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and third row, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D and second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. First grid, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column C, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column E, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Second row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.